When it comes to backing up photos, Google Photos is the way to go. Available on Android, iOS, and as a web client, Photos allows you to keep your entire photo and video collection in the cloud, absolutely for free, with just a small amount of compression applied. This makes it easy to keep your collection of photos safe and secure in the cloud. And if you want to switch to full resolution backups, Google's storage prices are competitive with other major players in the cloud storage game. Of course, sometimes you need to restore your photos from a cloud backup back to your phone, tablet, or computer's gallery. Thankfully, saving web backups of your photos or videos is super easy, no matter what platform you're on. On Android, Photos is a standard Google app included on nearly every device on the market today. Backups are automatically performed in the background, so there's no need to worry about ever missing a photo. To download a photo back to your system gallery, tap on your selection, then tap the triple dotted menu icon in the top right corner. Tap Save to Device, and the photo will be saved to your phone's storage for offline use. Oddly, Android doesn't let you save multiple photos at once to your phone's gallery, though you can move them to Drive or email them to yourself instead. On iOS, Photos doesn't work quite as well as on Android, since it's not a native app, but it's still an easy way to auto-backup photos on your device. The steps to save a photo are the same. Tap on the triple dotted menu icon on each photo, then select Save to Device. iOS also makes it easy to save multiple photos to your phone's gallery at once. Just tap and hold on a photo to select multiple photos in iOS, then tap on the share icon at the top of the screen and select Save to Device. Finally, on the web version of Photos, follow the same steps as before to download a photo to your computer. Click on the photo you want to download, then click on the triple-lined menu icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Download. If you want to download multiple photos to your computer, select each checkmark in the top left corner of every photo thumbnail, then select Download from the menu icon. Downloading more than one photo at a time saves the photos in a zip file on your computer. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Photos and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.